In this video, we're going to declutter and improve your Windows experience by removing bloatwares. Windows usually comes with lots of unnecessary pre-installed tools, software, services, and telemetry functions running in your system background and using up memory, thereby making your system slow. In most cases, you would never need or use these services, but it's always running and draining your resources. Now let's head on to remove bloatwares from our Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now there are two ways we can run this. We can either use the quick method and type in this command into PowerShell and it should run everything automatically, or we can manually do it, which is the method we're going to use. Now click on code and download zip. Unzip Windows 11 de-bloat master. Open the folder and here you can find a couple of files. Now we're going to run Windows batch 5, but before we do that, you should see an app list. Now let's open this app list text document. So here you can see the list of apps that will be removed from your Windows installation, from 3D Builder to lots of other apps right here. There are other options that are exempted, which you can see down here. Now to include any of these options, simply remove the hash sign before the name of the app. So we could just remove the hash sign to some of these, like Microsoft Edge and the rest of them. But if you want to exclude some of them, then you could just add the hash sign to comment it out. So here are the list of Windows tools that will be removed. You can play around with these and adjust according to your preference, but I'm just going to go with the default, which is good enough. Now let's right click on the Windows batch file, run, and then run as administrator. Press any key to continue. Now we're going with the default mode, which is going to apply our default settings. So enter 1. We can also go with the custom mode and then modify it according to our needs, or we can go with 3 app removal mode, where we can select the apps and remove without making other changes. So you can see more information here. The default mode is going to remove default selection of apps, which we've already seen in the app list.txt. It is also going to remove some diagnostic data and activity history and so much more. So you can see all of them right here. Now let's return back and then enter 1 to proceed with the default mode. Hit enter. Press any key to execute, and it should start removing these tools. And this is done. We can exit. So if you look closely, you should see that some of the pre-installed apps that was here, they are no longer here. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.